Hello everyone! On this tutorial, I'm going to show you my idea to make the wedding welcome sign. First of all, let's open the software. I use Photoshop. You can use any software you like. And then let's design our welcome sign. Actually, I'm not good at the design and software work, so I just show you the procedure fastly. Okay, then let's check our design. And if we satisfied with our design, we can pass to the factory for the printing. Okay, I have the wedding sign printed from factory. Let's check the effect. It's pretty. Okay, now let's use it to make a very special welcome sign. First of all, take a KT ball and use a pencil to draw the thing we are going to make. Okay, completed. Wow, I'm the artist. Anyway, cut it off. Just careful. Really careful. Okay, look. Then we can apply some glue or use some double face tape. Put on the ball. Okay, then our side. Just stick it on the ball. Since I just try to make the sample to show you the idea, so I will not use a lot of glue or tape. But if you are using this idea for your event, try any ways to make it sturdy firmly. That will be better. And then turn over and use a pen to draw on the side. Okay, then cut off the side based on the line we draw. Okay. Then apply more glue to stick them firmly. Okay, after stick them together, this is the come out. Okay, then take another ball. So we got several pieces. And then also take another ball. We will stick the pieces around the ball. Okay, then normally we can use hot glue, but I use this double face tape. Okay, then let's copy the shape of this ball. Slightly will be okay. And actually, I make a mistake on the side because we need to leave a margin for the thickness of this two ball. because when I stick this ball on these two pieces, the space not enough. Look, the space not enough. This ball should be larger to cover the thickness of this ball. But anyway, we can fix out. And then let's put on the floor foam. And since the floor foam not large enough, so I need to connect several pieces on it. And then we need to make several holes. Okay, make hole on the ball and then use the string and tie the floor foam. And for your information, on this design, using this type of foam will be much more better because we can also apply some hot glue on the foam and stick on the ball. That will be much more sturdy. But anyway, I have the solution. We can step a layer of the KD ball. Make sure the height of this part will be same as the height of the frame. Okay, then the following, we need to insert the flowers. Remember, we copied the shape of our KT ball. Okay, then also apply the glue. I use the double face tape. You can use any good hot glue. Okay, and then stick our cover. Okay, let's stand it up to check the effect. Okay, look, after we stand up the side, and then let's adjust the flowers to make it pretty. I want it taller. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look. Do you like this idea? Very easy to make and will not cost a lot. Look, let's zoom in for the detail. For your information, we surprise almost all the material used on our video, the flower, the leaf. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. For this idea, you can use real flower also. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.